Morning guys. So today is like good day for me hopefully kay mag pa-install ko kanang leather seats sa akong Honda City. Dito ako, it's my family's car pero ako yung gagamit. Like ako yung everyday gamit. Di lang ako yung kapatobel, di lang ako tanan. Hopefully, kuan kay among sabot man good kay tunga ba. Akong half the price kay akong father, half the price kay ako. So nana ang ako ang sa father na lang maulog kung pangayo pa man good. Engineering days pud karon, so you know I am not good in English because kanang nag-engineering ko kay banga gyud ko mag-English. So, start my day, magkuhan lang ko oatmeal and a protein shake kay fast man tamang fast, dapat low calories lang na to morning, balihon na to kay kabalo man tanga dito ka balibad sa gabi. Mag-ready sa ako in 3, 2, 1. So nanako diri sa gawas, so off to go to the shop. It took me almost 2 hours maybe kay tungod lang magulat anang buwang-buwang. I'm so excited nga to see later this evening. This is already on leather seats. The free fabric is good pero once it go beyond 1.5 years or 1 year sa ano niya wear and tear niya mo abot mo pangit na gid siya, mo baho ana and stuff. So see you there, magdali man ko so di kay ko mag-vlog. See you. Montage na lang ta. Cinematic sequence at 3, 2, 1, go. Still stuck on a motherfucking traffic. I don't think so nga dawatan pa ta kay this is a whole day job baya ning kuan. They will still have to get off the seats and stitch the new one, the leather one. So I am still hopeful na they will still accommodate us, but I highly doubt na. And it is all because of this guy, motherfucker shit you. Langayan kayong buang bullshit. I've been anticipating this day for so long. Damn! Hindi pa ko pansino ni daddy kanina kay if only daddy was so aggressive in telling me gina ato na it's wala man di makunya pansino, di maulaw so ko paningil. No more baby, Versace on the floor. Yeah. And one more. Gadaan gyapon kay ko karon nga adlaw because dad told me to go to our insurance company kay to over
our insurance or to the insurance.
Our insurance kay mo man atong insurance nga gikuha. Our na gyapon sa maning words man kabalog pronoun. Our insurance company na we will talk to them with repairs kay dagan man ni siya mga dents and scratches. So finally, by the end of this month, hopefully, Lord, a very good birthday gift. It will be an overhaul in a sense na overhaul ang exterior. Sige na, see you at the leather seats area. Hopefully I could vlog there and hopefully dili kay ko maulaw sa akong kan. Mamo gid ang problema na ako maulaw ko. So after the leather seats, maybe I'll come home, get our other car. Dagan cars. Dili na daw ako kung kuya man daw. I'll just borrow my brother's car. What I used yesterday. I'll borrow that car. Hopefully tawaton pa mi. See you there. Thankfully, ila pa ming ma-accommodate. We're still, there's a new Fortuner here and a van. Pero okay pa daw gyapon. Yeah. Ulo man mag-vlog dire. Napay van no. Katulo pa mi. Pero okay pa daw gyapon makaya pa. Thankful yaman da. So we will leave the car here and balik namin niya alas 5. Sige. Wala naman ipakita. Walang yapon. Jeep lang sa. So we're riding a jeepney right now because our Honda City is on a makeover. Yeah, yeah. I'm meeting the gym. You can't miss a gym day, man. So we're now here at Limkit Kay Mall getting some gains. Eh marag mo magina siya tong first thing in the morning. Tsada kay basta first thing in the morning ang gym pero dili man kayo always na mo gakay mo. Tsada kay kung first thing in the morning mag-gym ka, it will get your body going bitaw. And at the same time, naka at the back of your mind, di kay ka mukaon kay kapoy kay akong gi-gym ganina. Ana, di ba? So, muna ang tsada basta first thing in the morning mag-gym ka. We're ready here. Gold's Gym, Cagayan, the worst Gold's Gym ever. Walay lat pull down, guys. Walay lat pull down.
Yes.
Kasi at the gym, commentary lang siguro. Wala man ko yung videographer. Wala, di man siya. Dili man ko niya ubanan nga mag-video lang siya. So, wala. Patong-patong lang ko karon. 3, 2, 1.
Do you remember back when in the winter we were so close like lovers? I swear we were one, I was lightning, you were thunder, and we were on the run with each other. On the run, on the run, on the run, on the run. Do you think about me ever? Do you think about me ever? Oh, 'cause I keep on having dreams about you. And I keep on waking up without you. So let me know, would you fall for me like I fall for you? Would you fall for me like I fall for you? Would you fall for me like I fall for you? Would you fall for me like I fall for you? Yeah. Do you remember back when we were golden? Stars couldn't outshine our fire, we were burning. Every step we took was like walking on water. Through the rush on the run with each other.
Moment of truth. We are off to pick up the car. Excited na kay Kuway. My goodness. Ano to? I'm very nervous kay basing fail lang pagay mo ba. But I highly doubt. Bakit mag-fail? Bakres. Sige, kita na tayo dito. Kaya taas pa kayo. Wala, layo pa kayo taas din. So, kita na dito. Excited na noon ko da. So, we're already sitting on it. Pero nireklamo ko, wala nila gi-appeal ng Central Console niya. Sa akong amigo na nagpatrabaho, direct gi-appeal ng Central Console. So, ilang di dali-dali karon.
So excited. Chada kayo siya. Actually, chada gid siya. Tanahan na to from outside. Atong kan. Di man klaro. I chose the black leather plus the red stitching. Chada ba yun? Murag type R ba? Type R. Wala, dugay kayo? Krabas snack tata? Di ako 7-Eleven. Beef corn ba? Beef...
Ay, katong akong paborito ba?
Ta? Balik lang ta. Nabayaran na rin ito. My all-time favorite snack.
Yes, boy.
Cheesy
Because
beef
it's a protein too. Wala na lang yun sa Alex. Pilitan kung bago palitan mo ito. Isa din ka Pringles, sir. Nasa
Na may Pringles sa balay.
Ay, na Pringles sa na lang.
Ay, okay na to ako kaya.
Ay, dito ba?
Inito. So we're back here, Mana. And if I will rate it from 1 to 10, it's a 9.8. Tsada gid siya. Ako lang yung 9.8 kaya ang point 2, wala nila gitarong kay kanina nakita man ako na wala nila ano, the center console. They did not include it ba, wala nila gi-appeal. And karon na akong ipadali-dali, wala na yung naglinya. Tingnan, hindi man maklaro noon. So, feels like it's a new car. Ulo, ano hindi mo nimo? What's up everyone? So this is the next day. Ako lang ipakita ang final product sa game mo na to gahapon. So, naray na tadang. Ayun na natapansin na ang gubot ng likod ha. Pero mo na siya. Tadang! It is much beautiful, elegant, and at the same time, it's easier to clean. So, moro to. Happy kay ko. Sige, see you next video!